What's up, guys? This your girl Krill the Dawn, and I'm back again with another video for you. Guys, I know I've been gone for a while, and I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I have a very good reason. I really don't. I'm trying to think of one. But no, seriously, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Today is Monday the 22nd. I believe it's almost 2 o'clock in North Las Vegas. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you're washing your hands. And I hope you guys are obeying by the 6 feet apart rule. And I hope you guys are doing everything you can to stay safe and healthy. Alright, y'all. So, since I wasn't doing anything, I figured, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and put out a video for you guys. Now, this video I did see on Facebook. So, a lot of credit goes to whoever, did it first and, uploaded for everybody to see. And if you have kids, this would be a perfect science experiment for them and for yourself as well. But remember, this can get messy, so you might want to have some towels and stuff on hands or whatever else. Now, I will do this with my son, but he's going to be trying to stick his hand in the damn glass. He's going to be trying to talk, just ask 21 questions and more. So, plus not to mention he in there asleep anyway. So, I kind of wanted to get this filmed before he wakes up. All right, guys. So this is gonna be called what was it called? A lava in a glass, I believe it's called. Don't quote me on that. I will definitely have it in the title once I upload this and edit and everything. But I'm gonna be using these clear glasses. I feel like it's better, and you'll have a clear shot at everything. Now I have some Crisco pure vegetable oil, some food coloring, red, blue, yellow, and orange. And I also have some, I can't never pronounce this right, Alka-Seltzer. It's for cold and pain and all that good stuff. And then I also have some cold water. It doesn't have to be cold, it could be warm. And I also have a drying towel in case I, mess up anything. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up on my social media accounts to let me know what you guys want to see from me next. I will try my best to deliver. Alright, guys, so once again, I have nobody to film for me, so I'm on my own. And I have no tripod or nothing like that. I need to get one. But for now, this is going to work. Alright, so let's pull these forward. Ignore my big ass ashy hands. It's like a tongue twister. All right, let me scoot back. Okay, this is the setup. So I gotta open this. Shit, how that? Yeah, I'm having trouble. I gotta use my thighs. Thick thighs save lives. Remember that. Also, I got some water right here to drink too, because it's like hot as fuck and I'm just fucking dehydrated for some reason. Alright, so I'm gonna do half and half. I'm not gonna pour too much in. So we'll start off with this one first, this big one. Okay. Just a little bit. Alright, that's cool. Oh shit, hold up. Let me move this out the way. Okay. I want just a little. Oops. Okay. Carefully. Oh my god, I wasted it on the table. Alright, that's good. Whatever, I'm gonna clean it up anyway, so it don't matter. Alright, guys, so this is what we're working with. Right here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little bit of water. That's good. I'm gonna try to get the same amount. That's the same amount, I think. Let me see. I gotta measure this. Okay, I think it's good. Just, alright. I'm gonna Okay, these are good. I think I have a lot less in this one. I wanted to measure up correctly. All right, that's good. Because this one is taller and bigger, it's gonna, you know. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I told you I was gonna be messy. Look, I'm already making a mess. Some tragic shit. Alright, y'all, so now that we have our, and I do have shorts on, y'all, so don't worry. Just can't see them. Alright, so now that we have our glasses filled with oil and water, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding in the food coloring. Now, first we're gonna do, I think this is yellow. We're gonna do yellow first. Okay. I'm gonna do I'm going to do 6 drops of the yellow, okay? And I'm going to do the same amount for each one. I'm going to do 6 drops of blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. Cool. We're going to do red next. This is going to be such a fun experiment, I feel like. Same with the green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, did I add an extra? I can't tell. Alright, y'all, so last but not least, we have green. Wait, hold on. No, that was green. Okay, my bad, y'all. We got red. My fault. Alright, so same amount of drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now that we have that out the way, we have, oh, look how pretty this is already. And we have added our colors and oil and water and everything. I'm going to get ready to add these. So I will be right back. Alright, y'all, so out of the 3, no, what was that, 3, 2, 2, 2. Out of the 2 packs I used, I have 4 because it's 2 a pack. And we're about to go ahead and drop them in our little experiment here. So you guys ready? All right, guys, let's do this. I'm so scared. I hope it doesn't overflow. Oh my God, I just dropped it on the floor. Oh shit, hold on, guys. All right, guys, so I went ahead and cleaned up a little bit. Always make sure to clean as you go, no matter what you're doing. Clean as you go. All right, guys, so I went ahead and I added another drop of each food coloring, so 7 drops of each. This is for, I went ahead and picked up my tablet off the floor. I have 4 here, as you guys can see, for 4 glasses. This is the problem that you have when you don't have nobody to film for you and you don't have the special equipment that you need. Ignore my son in the background, y'all. All right, guys, so are you ready to see this? Let's go. Oh my God, I hope it doesn't overflow. Oh my God, look. This is so tight. You can see that one just popping up to the top. Look, guys. It's done sizzling already. Okay, I think I kind of had a little fail because the one I seen was so much more bubblier than this one, but maybe I added too much water, maybe I added too much oil, maybe I didn't put enough oil, or maybe I didn't put enough water. But that is okay because you know what? This is a cool little science experiment that you can do at home with your kids. It's very easy, it's fun, messy of course, but you know. And you only need a few things to use. So of course I'll have everything. Bless you. So of course I'll have everything in the description box down below if you guys want to do this. You know, and if you don't have everything, it's not going to be hard. Stop being loud. If you don't have everything, it's not going to be hard to find. So also guys, I have a food haul coming up in a little bit. I got some groceries off of what you call it, Amazon Fresh Delivery, only for people that are Prime members or whatever. So I will definitely be doing a haul for you guys later, so stay tuned for that. Again, if you enjoyed this video, which I hope you guys did, comment, thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and hit me up on my social media so I can know what you guys would like to see from me next, and I will try my best to deliver. You know what, y'all? Let's go ahead and use these last two real quick. Let's see. Alright, you guys, since I don't have enough, we're gonna go ahead and do yellow and blue. I'm gonna see if, you know, let's see. That is so tight. Okay, so I definitely think I added too much of something. Maybe I added too much food coloring. Yeah, I think I added too much of something because the other one I seen was so much more lively. But like I said, this was very fun. I definitely might try this again, and hopefully I would get it right. But this was definitely fun. I enjoyed this. Alright guys, it's your girl Krill the Don. Y'all already know what to do. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for that. Alright lovelies, I'm out. Bye. Mwah.